Today we're going to look at the Mistral keep and particularly the mast track. It's the same as on the Mistral 1 Design and Escape and other boards from the 90s. And it's got this folding pedal. If you press it down, the track will slide backwards and forwards, and if you flip the pedal back, the track won't move at all. So this is a nuisance if you're racing, because you can't adjust the track forwards or backwards. So we're going to look at a device that is useful for racing when you don't want to accidentally flip the pedal back when you're tacking, for example. And this is how you fit it. So this red clip is fitted into the mast track. It goes in sideways like shown, and you twist it around and move it back and slide it over the top of the pedal until it clicks home. Now you can push your pedal up and down and slide the mast track as you like, but it will never flip back. To remove it, lift the tab up at the back, slide it out and twist it off, and that's how you put the red clip on and take it off again.